in this issue. Mind-blowing dress from Adobe, generative field for Premiere Pro from them. New virtual reality glasses that you will definitely want for yourself. Next 3. Better or worse than the rest? Google is set to add image creation function using neural network to find matches for users. Hello everyone, friends, these are Neuro News. We review the most interesting events that happened in the realm of AI, neural networks, and advanced technologies. Prior to beginning, I would like to express gratitude to all individuals who appreciated and provided feedback on our prior video. It is very important to us. Feedback is always nice. In this issue, you can expect no less interesting news, so make yourself comfortable. My name is Dimitri. We start. Washing dishes and doing everyday chores will now be less boring. Truth, but it will cost $500. I'm talking about the new MetaQuest 3 virtual reality glasses right now. Reports on how people use these glasses flooded the internet this week. For instance, a person learns piano with their help. Very convenient for those who do not want to learn notes but compositions right away. Or here's a game and drum skills training at the same time. A cat is a great help in dealing with depression if you want a cat but don't want to take on the responsibility. Petting a virtual cat is likely not as enjoyable, but obviously it occurs within your mind, Harry. But who told you that this cannot be true? New glasses were put on sale on October 10th and became much better than their predecessors. Models Quest 2 by many indicators. They are more powerful, easier to use, and provide higher image quality. The manufacturers themselves highlight the key feature of supporting mixed reality, or AR in other words. And numerous videos about how people do everyday things and watch YouTube at the same time confirm this. However, there is no need to discuss games, otherwise I'll cry now. Google has added a feature to generate images using AI technology. Currently, this function is only for Google testers, but they promise to open access to everyone soon. Here's what is known at the moment. The function will work similar to how the Bing service integrated with Dalle-3 currently works. By the way, we will tell you more about it a little later. It will be useful primarily for users who are looking for a specific image on the internet and cannot find it. Based on the discovered picture, it will be feasible to produce your own or generate an entirely new image. Generated images will be marked with special embedded watermarks to ensure they can be easily distinguished from the original image. Google will also limit the availability of features for users under 18 years old. In addition, the company will implement filters that prevent the generation of harmful or misleading images. With Google's help, creating photorealistic images of celebrities will be impossible. In Dalle-3, this is no longer possible. So no more Pope in a down jacket. Too bad. Dalle-3. How could I not try this neural network when all the headlines scream that it's a killer? Midjourney, Leonardo, Stable Diffusion, Laura Palmer. At the moment, there are 2 ways to use this neural network, through the paid subscription ChatGPT or the free search engine Bing from Microsoft. What already makes it more accessible than Midjourney? We checked both methods and noticed that they are still different. In the chat for 5, you write a wish to the bot about what you want to see, and he already comes up with a prompt. And multiple options simultaneously. We produced numerous images in Dalle-3 and Midjourney, compared them, and will now present you with some outcomes. It was a request. Movie poster with a girl on a cloud, sadly observing people passing by below. What catches the eye? Of course, text. He's normal, readable, and this is a big step forward for neural networks. By the way, we generated this through ChatGPT, and it decided to name our movie Lonely Heights. You'll also need to ask for a script to be written. Here are a few more variations of this prompt from ChatGPT. Looks really impressive. I was truly amazed. These are the results of Dalle-3 through Bing. For some reason, he got into anime, but it turned out great. And here's what Midjourney suggested. Beautiful? Certainly. But somehow, ChatGPT, it seems, better understood the idea. In general, the strings of the soul touched more, and it was a prompt, the boy eats the moon with a spoon in the night sky. Now you have the results in ChatGPT, and it appears to be very, very good once again, and aligns perfectly with the request that was made. Giorno once again did a beautiful job, but not quite perfect. Obinku takes us directly to Animation Asia, or Asian animation, in a nutshell. We have come to the conclusion that using Dalle-3 is much easier through the GPT chat. And it's not surprising, because both of these products are from OpenAI. For image quality, I've always backed Midjourney. I've tried Leonardo, Stable Diffusion, and Kandinsky to assess the quality of the created images. All of this was not mine, and for the first time I witnessed something that had the potential to rival him. Indeed, the images from Midjourney continue to appear more succulent and visually appealing. But Dalle-3 is very, very close to them in this parameter. And in terms of understanding prompts, she even surpassed. I believe that in the near future, Midjourney will remain a tool for professional designers who know how to write all these canvases on A4 with a description of the camera, lens, photographer's retina, and other relevant details. A convenient, well-understood network Dalle-3 is being made public, which, in combination with ChatGPT, demonstrates absolutely stunning outcomes. Friends, if you want us to make a more detailed review of the advantages and disadvantages of Dalle-3 in a separate episode, please write about it in the comments. There will definitely be a lot of interesting things on this topic. Tinder suddenly has a rival. Not just any rival, but one equipped with artificial intelligence. The latest proposal from SciMatch utilizes neural networks to help you find the ideal partner. How does it work? Algorithms analyze your selfie and determine your character by facial features and then search for a partner similar to you. The AI said, "I'm social, fair, diplomatic, and polite," according to the neural network. That is what about 90% of people can say to themselves. Developers claim that the accuracy of such analysis is 87%. It's intriguing, of course, how they determined it. Matches creating pairs in their app is 77% higher than in Tinder. In general, singles, please take note. Adobe, the company that provided us with Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and other essential software, introduced a dress this week. Yes, you heard right, dress. He was introduced at his own conference, Adobe Max 2023. The dress consists of flexible textile displays with built-in touch sensors. With their help, it can change color not only when the button is pressed, but also when it moves. You can also animate the fabric of the dress. Currently, Project Primrose, the innovative clothing textile, is only in white and silver colors. However, ladies, a dress like that will definitely create a sensation at any party you comprehend. In addition to the dress, Adobe did not forget to show new developments in software, including a very interesting feature called Generative Fill for Adobe Premiere. The novelty was named Fast Fill. She can do generative filling, rapidly remove objects from videos, and change the background using text description. Changes are automatically applied to the entire video without frame-by-frame editing. Friends, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes of Neuro News and other interesting videos. I remind you that we go out weekly because every week in the field of AI and neural networks, something interesting occurs.